Imagine a forest floor that glows in the dark. Over 80 fungi species create their own eerie green light, and scientists believe it could transform medicine. Let's dive in. Imagine stepping into a quiet forest after the sun has set. The air is cool, the leaves whisper, and the only light comes from the soft glow that seems to rise from the ground itself. That gentle greenish shimmer is not a trick of the moon or a stray firefly. It is the work of tiny fungi that have learned to make their own light. Over 80 different kinds of mushrooms and other fungi can glow in the dark, turning the forest floor into a living nightlight. These glowing fungi create light through a simple chemical reaction inside their cells. They contain two special ingredients, a molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin meets luciferase in the presence of oxygen, a tiny spark of light is released. The process is similar to how a firefly lights up, but instead of a flashing tail, the fungi give off a steady, soft glow that can last for hours or even days. The light is usually a pale green, a color that stands out against the dark soil and fallen leaves. Why do fungi bother to glow? Scientists think the light helps them spread their spores. Many insects are attracted to the faint green glow, and as they crawl over the mushroom caps, they pick up tiny spores on their legs and bodies. When the insects move on, they carry those spores to new spots, helping the fungus colonize fresh patches of forest floor. In a way, the glow is a silent invitation for bugs to become unwitting couriers. One of the most well-known glowing mushrooms is called Mycena chlorophos. Found in parts of Asia and the Pacific, this little mushroom can keep shining for several days after it has been touched or moved. Researchers have taken notice of this lasting glow, wondering how the mushroom manages to keep its light alive for so long without fading. The chemistry behind fungal bioluminescence is not just a curiosity for nature lovers. Scientists are now exploring ways to use the same glowing compounds in medicine and technology. In medical imaging, for example, luciferin and luciferase can be attached to cells or tiny probes that light up when they reach a target area inside the body. This makes it easier for doctors to see tumors, track infections, or watch how a drug travels through the bloodstream, because the light is produced without the need for electricity or harsh chemicals. It offers a gentle, low-energy alternative to some traditional imaging methods. Beyond medicine, researchers are also looking at sustainable lighting. Imagine a garden path lined with glowing mushrooms that need no electricity, no bulbs, and no batteries. By understanding how fungi generate light, engineers hope to develop bio-based lights that could illuminate parks, trails, or even indoor spaces using living organisms. Such lights would be kind to the environment, using only natural processes to produce a soft, safe glow. The study of bioluminescent fungi is still in its early stages, but each discovery brings us closer to harnessing nature's own nightlights. In the meantime, the next time you wander through a forest after dark, keep your eyes low. You may catch a glimpse of that quiet green shimmer, a reminder that even in the darkest corners of the world, life finds a way to shine. These incredible fungi transform dark forest floors into living lanterns, nature's own light show. If this amazed you, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share the glow. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.